Hello everybody, Trackmaster Productions 2016 back again, and today we're going to be taking a look at some steam shovels. Now, you're probably saying, well, you've already shown these up before. Well, yes, I have, but I actually have another one. Another custom steam shovel, and I finished today. This guy right here, hopefully it fell into frame there. That beauty, look at that. That guy, and he is big. Doesn't have a name. Mostly going to be like a background character or somebody in the pack you see rolling around in the background at the quarry. So yeah, so we have 3 steam shovels: Marion, Ned, and number 44. So yeah, so we have Ned here, Marion, and I'll let you guys have seen him before. This one here I'm going to take a look at here. So let's get started. Okay, so this here is steam shovel custom right here. What I did was I used the Marion steam shovel thing, bucket arm crane from the Trackmaster Rebecca pack. Used a brake van that I used for Daisy's custom. Used the cab of it and the base of a tractor thing that I get the snow plows with, because I have a lot of these. And so yeah, so it turns 360, so you guys can see right here, it turns 360, and there's a screw inside. At the bottom of this also have a little funnel detail right there, little Thomas funnel. It also says back here on the back, it says Center Island Quarry number 44. So it works at Center Island Quarry. Detailed the tracks there, the caliper tracks, silver, and the wheels and all that. Detailed the sides of the cab, 44 with a scraped out 44. There's a bug flying around in here. Added the fake windows at the front, Sharpie marker, put a 44 there. It's all dusty, dirty, and all that grimy. So yeah, it looks nice. The bucket moves up and down. Move it up, move it down. Had some scrape detail on that, as it's been moved around, busted, banged around in the quarries. So yeah, it looks nice for what it is. So yeah, that is steam shovel number 44, and here it is in action. You could turn it around, you could roll it forward, spin it around. Alright, so that's about it. So yeah, it's actually kind of nice actually. So let's show it on the layout. Oh. So, thank you guys for watching this video on the custom steam shovel. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps. And tell me down in the comment section what you guys think of this lovely little custom. Thanks for watching.
The train arriving at platform 1 is the 15 service from Dapford to Vicarstown.
Hello, I'm Gordon. If you want to watch more videos, click on these links here. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Express coming through!